ঠিক আছে আরে ভাস করতে হবে
Good afternoon, students. Welcome to my live classroom, St. Lumina's Online Preschool. I hope you all are well. So, let's start. Now, I want to present the board. Okay? Today is Monday. I want to take blue color. Today is Monday. And date 2nd August 2021. Okay, and now I am going to discuss about the subject English grammar. Topics: number, okay, so let's start. In our previous class I have discussed about the numbers. Number are of two kinds. Numbers are of two kinds. Okay, singular number and plural number. Singular number and plural number. Singular number and second plural. Sorry. Plural number. Okay. Now I want to show pages. Okay, so let's see. Here in our previous class we have discussed about the numbers with some fill in the blanks. Okay, and now we have to practice the pages. Okay, so at first read the following with me. Atlas, atlases. Arc, arcs. Charts, charts. Dish, dishes. Fox, foxes. Lance, lances. Ash, ashes. Class, classes. Coach, coaches. pass, passes. Okay. Now change into plurals by adding es. Look, here are some nouns. You all have to change them plural into plural forms by adding es at the end. So let's start with me. Buzz, buzzes. Yes. Okay. Next, gas, gases. Dress, dresses. You all write with me. DRESSES, dresses. Bus, buses. Okay. Branch, branches. BRANCES, branches. Brush, brushes. BRUSHES, brushes. Piece, pieces. PEACES, pieces. Torch. What can I write? Tell with me. Torches. TORCHES, torches. Box, boxes. BOXES, boxes. Class, classes. Okay, clear? Okay, so I want to repeat it again. Bus, buses. Gas, gases. Dress, dresses. Bus, buses. Branch, branches. Brush, brushes. Piece, pieces. Torch, torches. Box, boxes. Class, classes. Okay, next, write the plural forms of the nouns below. Write the plural forms of the nouns below. Business, businesses. Write with me. BUSINESS, business. Okay. One spelling mistake. BUSINESS, businesses. Benz, benches. BEN. Do you know what is the spelling of Benz? BENCHES, benches. Potato, potatoes. Potatoes. Do you like potato? POTATOES, potatoes. Kiss, kisses. KISSES, kisses. Okay, clear? Next, let's see the next page. If a noun ends with the letter Y, then to make it plural, change the Y to I and add S. Understand? Look, if a noun ends with the letter Y, suppose this is the noun army. The end letter Y. To make it plural, you can't write army, armies, ARMYS. It's wrong. You have to write ARMIES, armies. Instead of Y, you have to write IE and then add s. Okay, clear? Next, army, armies, baby, babies, copy, copies, city, cities, diary, diaries, duty, duties, fairy, fairies, family, families. Okay, clear? Next, I want to say that if the end letter before the end letter y it present any vowel. You all know about the vowels. Any vowel is present here. You can't write instead of y I e s. You can't write. It will be wrong. You then just only add s to make it plural. Okay, clear? Next, change the singular form of the noun to a plural form. Change the following into plural. Number 1, at the farm we counted 5 pony. Look here, the last letter y, and before y n. N is not a vowel. So instead of y you have to write I e and then s. Okay, now write pony, ponies. P O N I. Write with me. P O N I E S. Clear? Next, the servants swept the chimney. Look here, before y e is vowel, so don't write ies, only write s. Chimneys, c h I m n e y s. Chimneys. We study about many countries. Make it plural by adding ies, because before y r is present here is not vowel. So make it plural by ies add. Okay, now write with me country, countries, COUNTRIES, countries. Next, the reunion will have over 15 families. FAMIL. Don't write here y, write IES. Families. IES. During the summer, I like to catch many. What is there? Firefly. Okay, so make it plural. Fire. FIREFLIES. Fireflies. Next, I really enjoy going to my friend's birthday. Parties. Okay, parties. PARTIES. Okay, I again want to say it. If a noun ends with the letter y, to make it plural, change the y into I, then add s. Okay, mind it. Okay, next page. I want to show my next page. I hope you all understand this page. So let's see the next page. Wait. Yes, this is the next page. Number 7. Bear likes to eat berry before they hibernate for the winter. So, berry, berries. 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 Next, the baby. Baby. What will be the plural of baby? Write with me. Babies. Babies are crying in their cribs. Okay. Next, number 9. Our table at the restaurant had lots of different flavors. Jellies. So make it plural by adding IES. JELLIES. Jellies. And number 10, and that's the last number. When I order an ice cream sundae, I ask for 3 cherries. Okay? Cherries. CASERRIES. Cherries. Okay, clear? Next, write the plural of each noun in the boxes below. Now write the plural form of the following nouns. Okay, pastry. Write with me. PASTR last Y. So you have to write here IES. Okay, clear? Next, candy. Candies. 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 Bunny. Bunnies. 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 Lady. Ladies. 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 Penny. PENNIES. Pennies. Very. I have written it before. Again I want to write. BERRIES. Berries. What is it? What is it? Want to see it? Battery. Battery. It is battery. Batteries. 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 City. Cities. 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 Again, read it with me. Pastry. Pastries. Candy. Candies. Bunny. Bunnies. IES. Lady. Ladies. Penny. Pennies. Berry. Berries. Battery. Batteries. City. Cities. Okay. And now number C. Circle the correct plural form from the words or nouns. First, copy. Now I want to check if you understand or not. Copy. Which is the correct option? Say with me. Copy. Copies. No, this is not correct. COPYIES. No, it's not correct because Y is present here. Okay. This is not COPIES. Yes, this is the correct option. So circle it. Okay. Next. Baby. 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 No, this is not. BABIE. Is it right? Say with me. No, this is not right. It is wrong. BABYES. No. Y is present here, so it is not right. It is wrong. BABIES. Babies. So circle it. This is the correct option. Next, diary. diary, D-I-A-R-Y, diary. So which is the correct option? Let's see. Diaries, D-I-A-R-I-E-S. This is the correct option. Okay. Next, fairy, F-A-I-R-I-E-S. This is the correct option. Body, bodies. No, this is not. B-O-D-Y-S. It is wrong. B-O-D-Y-S. It is also wrong. B-O-D-E-E-S. No, this is also wrong. B-O-D-I-E-S. This is the correct option. Okay, clear? Clear, all of you? Okay. So, I want to back my this page. Students, I hope you all understand my class, and I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, so if you like my class, please like the video and share it to your friends and relatives. Okay, so that they also can get this chance to join my class. Okay, and for your better progress, please join regularly my online class. Okay, and please subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, so today, but not for other, today I just want to say you bye. We will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Okay, so bye.